Another day, another story. Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to make money online. In today's digital world, there are endless opportunities to earn a living without leaving your home. In this video, we will discuss some of the most popular and effective ways to make money online. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online. There are several websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr that offer freelance work in various fields. You can offer your services as a writer, graphic designer, web developer, social media manager, or any other skill you have. Create an impressive profile and start bidding on projects that match your skill set. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is becoming increasingly popular, especially with the current situation. You can teach English as a foreign language, or you can teach subjects like math, science, and history. Websites like VIPKid and QKids offer online teaching jobs to English speakers. Alternatively, you can create a course on a topic you're passionate about and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online. You can sign up for affiliate programs offered by companies such as Amazon, Target, and Walmart. You will then receive a unique link to their products that you can promote on your website or social media channels. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Online surveys. Many websites pay users to take surveys. You can sign up for websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie, and they will send you surveys to complete. The payout for each survey varies, but it's an easy and simple way to earn a few extra bucks. Blogging. Blogging is another popular way to make money online. If you have a passion for writing and a topic you're knowledgeable about, you can start a blog and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Conclusion. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online. Whatever method you choose, make sure you put in the time and effort to make it successful. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your online endeavors into a full-time income. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.